Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to buy XDC on Bitget. Alright, so first up, the only way we can buy XDC is by going to spot market, okay? So meaning we'll have to select a pair. Now, the easiest pair that we can get right here is XDC and USDT. So first up, you need to go to your assets right here and deposit USDT, okay? Deposit USDT, or you could go ahead and buy directly right here, buy and sell, buy USDT, okay? And then once you have the USDT on your wallet, well, you can now go ahead and go to trade right here. And under spot, we have, again, XDC, okay, to USDT. So just click on it, wait for the platform to load. And then once it loads, just go ahead and go to the top right, click on spot, then market or limit, it's up to you, okay? Market for the best current price, or limit to set a specific price. It's up to you. Now in here, enter the amount of USDT that you would like to convert as XDC. Okay, for example, 1,000 USDT. Okay, now you can go ahead and click on buy XDC right here. Okay, and then after that, your XDC assets right here will update. Okay, you could also toggle TPSL if you want to, and after that, you should be good to go. Now, another option is by using the Bitget wallet, okay? This is by far the easiest one. So I'm just going to open up Bitget wallet right here under my Chrome extension. You may have a Bitget wallet on your phone, so just go ahead and open it up. And then just basically click on swap, okay? Now in here, for example, you have USDT, and then just go ahead and find XDC. Now, as you can see here, XDT tokens are not audited. Just be careful, okay, what you pick right here. So we have XDC BNB Smart Chain by Chain. You can click on the plus sign and just head out import this token and then swap, okay? Swap right here. And then after that, you're good to go. You'll have your XDC under your Bitget wallet, and you could go ahead and transfer it to your Bitget exchange if you want to. And that is how you buy XDC on Bitget. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.